nobody must force us to say now this is what are as a result. Well, the results are not correct. If we, I think the institutions must satisfy us that they did look into the issues. The first time ever since freedom, we had people arrested doing wrong things. First time. I'm sure we all know that some people got arrested. You don't know? You are not journalists then. There's something else. Journalists must know everything, don't you know? Huh? Yes. We are going to need the time. Nobody must declare tomorrow. No. If that happens, people will be provoking us because we know what we are talking about. We are not guessing. We know. And why should they rush to count? And I'm hoping whoever is responsible is hearing what we are saying. Don't start trouble when there is no trouble. You know, one of the reasons, as I was talking to people throughout this country, I said many things have got to be changed, including the manner in which elections are done. Why should they, at some point when you vote, it's not secret, but when people count, it's secret. Why? Yes. Why? And part of the reason, all of us, I can tell you, we are going to be on the same side in changing this country. So that we've got a country for our children that is truthful, smooth, is moving very well. I don't think we have time to be joking. It's a serious matter. The very fact that up to now we have not implemented what we'll implement when we're fighting for freedom, that tells you how big the problem is. We want to correct it so that everybody is happy in this happy country. And we cannot therefore allow people to say we're not going to listen to you. But they caused, or they came as this institution because they were working for us, making us to campaign, to vote. It's not their business, it's our business. Thank you very much.